Now let us compare the three services, and this table is from Wikipedia. And you can see in Google Cloud Platform we have Compute Engine, which is similar to Amazon EC2, and in Azure we have virtual machines. Google App Engine is similar to AWS Elastic Beanstalk, which is similar to App Services in Azure. Kubernetes Engine is similar in all the three. Then we have Bigtable, DynamoDB, and Azure Cosmos DB, which is for NoSQL. BigQuery, Amazon Redshift, and Synapse Analytics, which is for the analytics for the database. Then we have Cloud Functions, AWS Lambda, and Azure Function, which is serverless. And then Cloud Data Store, Amazon DynamoDB, Azure Cosmos DB, which is, as mentioned above as well, is for NoSQL. So in Google Platform, we have two Cloud Bigtable and Cloud Data Store for NoSQL. And then you have cloud storage, Amazon S3 and Azure Blob Storage, which is for your object storage. So this is the comparison between the three services. However, there are n number of services which cannot be compared specifically. So each one of has some specific services which can be utilized in number of ways, and thus it comes for the solution architect or the solution designer and how he is going to use the services to provide this specific use case.